Welcome. In front of me is a CAT S40 and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings. There we go, settings, and from here scroll to storage. There we go, storage. And a little bit lower you will find your SD card, and additionally below the, as you can see, SD card, you have a couple options. We have erase SD card. I'll click on it, select erase SD card. If you have some kind of protection on your phone, some screen lock, you'll need to confirm it and erase everything. Give it a moment. It will remove all the data from the card, and there we go. As you can see, SD card is currently being checked and process is now completely finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.